500 from PBInfo, it says that first we read number n, then we read n natural numbers, and we must verify if they are in the ascending order. So we read number 7, it means we have 7 numbers, and we must check if they are in the ascending order. So first of all, let's create our program, include IOStream. The next what we have to do is, so what do we read? First we read a number. Then we create a loop that reads that many numbers. So let's read this number. I'm going to create a variable n, and then I'm going to read my variable n. So now let's understand the logic. To check if it's ascending or in the ascending order, we must verify if the number before 5 is smaller or equal to 5, which is correct. 4 is smaller or equal to 5. And we must verify if the number before 7, which is 5, is smaller or equal to 7, and so on. So for this number, the number before this number is equal to this number, it's also okay, and so on. So you see that for every number, we have a number which comes before it. So before 10, we have 9, or before 7, we have 5. But before 4, we don't have anything. So that's why we have previous number for each number. But for number 4, for the first number, we don't have a previous number. That's why I'm going to read this number outside of the loop. This will be my first previous number, and the rest I will read in the loop. So I want to create variable prev, which is for previous, and after reading n, I want to read my previous number. So my first number will be my first previous number. Then I will create a loop where I start from 2, I continue until n, and this many times I will read a number. Pay attention that I started from 2 and continued until n because I have read one less number, because this is outside of the loop. The rest will be in the loop. So this is my second number. That's why I start my loop from 2. So in the loop, I will read some number x. So let's create my variable x. And you want to read x. Now, I want to have some flag, some error flag of type bool. You know that bool can be true or false. So I have my error flag, which is false at the beginning, which means if it's false, it's negative. It means I don't have a problem. When it's true, I will have a problem. So I will check each numbers, and when I encounter a number, when I encounter a problem, I will make this one true. So I want to check if the previous number is bigger than x. If this is the case, it means I have a problem. So in this case, I will make my error flag true, and I'll break the loop because there is no need to go further. So if at some point the previous number is bigger than the actual number I'm reading, then I have a problem. But if there is no problem, it will not be executed. But in any case, I have to shift my previous. So I'll say that previous is equal to x. Why do I do it? Because at the beginning, this is previous. But in the loop, when I check this number, now the previous number must be this number for number 7. And when I read this, and when I come to this number, 7 will be previous for number 9. That's why every time in the loop, the last thing I want to do is to shift the previous. The thing is, I will just put x inside of previous. And after the loop, I want to check if I have a problem. If error flag is true, it means I have a problem. In that case, I'll print no. But if it's not true, it means I have no problem. In that case, I want to print da. Let's send our solution. Yeah, that's how you solve it, guys.